just got owned by a reseller. From reseller to reseller. I just lost money. What do you do? Good morning. This is Jason Thrift Trader. It is Saturday morning, early, 4:20 a.m. right now.
And hot sauce.
Yeah, she's good and sweaty, so am I. 4:20 in the morning. And we just got done, as you can see, loading up this box truck plumb full of stuff. It's 77 degrees outside, guys. 4:20 in the morning, 77 degrees. We're just about to hit the road, and today and tomorrow we're gonna be hanging out at the flea market, and we're gonna see if we can sell some fleas. So dad jokes, right? Anyways,
Bad dad jokes.
Bad dad jokes. Bat dad? No, bad dad.
No, you are not bad dad. Don't even try.
Jen. That's funny. Anyways, guys, so yeah, update. We're headed to the flea market today. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? We just made it to the flea market. Got vendors are setting up right now. This is the back end of the market. Actually, there's. Say hi, Philip.
What? Oh, hello, guys.
Hey, it was this guy's birthday yesterday, so make sure to wish him a happy birthday. How old are you now?
21.
20. You're full of crap.
32.
32 years old. I mean, 32 years young. But yeah, everybody's right now setting up, and we're about to do the same. So.
Can't you hear the roosters?
I hear them. Oh yeah, look, they sell. They're selling roosters and chickens. Got lots of livestock. I'm glad the wind is not. Wait, the wind is out of the south, and that's the south. So.
Yep.
All right, so good. I'm glad that the wind is coming out of this direction because I didn't want to smell that all day. All right, yeah. There we go, guys. We got way too much crap, but we're gonna try and get rid of as much of it as possible. So I guess we got to get to it.
Yep. Gotta get to work.
Let's get to it. All right, guys. We got our first fan. Put it on a pedestal. So awesome fan. Thank you for our fans. Axe, $10. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Got doing business anyway. Getting things all selling.
Turn it. I'll do it towards the corner right there. Here. That's good.
Cool. Is that good right there?
Am I on the camera?
Potentially. For the batteries and or all this? $2.
Okay. Does these work? You know?
I would assume they do. They're solar. I don't see why they wouldn't.
Cover them up. That's how you find out.
Hot Wheels. Got $3.
Yeah.
How much on that?
That's not for sale.
What's that? Oh, the camera. Yeah, that's not for sale. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
We gotta catch shoplifters, man.
What's that?
Said we gotta watch out for shoplifters.
No, that's not why. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber, yeah. So
never know. The West is wild out here.
I appreciate it very much. All right, guys, got my cerveza, and Philip is gonna man the lot. So we're gonna go scouting, see what we can find. Person sells a lot of RA stuff. Merrill's there. It's wood. These are cast iron. Tools of the trade. Okay, dog treats.
Yeah, I mean that's cheap for a Yeti.
Well, he couldn't do that at a brick and mortar.
See, that comes off twice.
Yeti makes it
Really?
Nice.
Yeah, shoot it once, it'll automatically turn.
This guy's got all sorts of rocks and geodes. Hats. That guy was saying no pictures, please. Guess what? I'm not taking pictures. This is video. Lots of games here. All sorts of cool stuff. Lots of hats, cowboy hats. How are you? These the only buckles you got?
That's all I have.
Okay. I always watch out for belt buckles. I've got one sitting at home that I got out of a storage unit. Worth $200. It's handmade with a signature by some type of artist. Okay, this is all that's pretty cool stuff. Got it marked up though. Is that a slag glass lamp?
What's that?
Is that slag glass?
Oh, I don't know. It might. I'm not sure.
Does it work?
Well,
It says as is.
It needs to have a cords placed on it.
I understand
That's all,
that.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty neat.
It's as is. Yeah, it's. I like these side pieces.
Yeah.
It's
That looks like,
pretty nice.
this right here looks like slag glass. You might look that up.
Yeah.
I have
could
a-
be. I'm not.
I personally have a slag glass lamp that I found out of a storage unit.
Yeah.
And it's around $400 to $600. So
Yeah.
I would
It might be worth
double
checking on it.
double check on that one.
Yeah, it looks like it's got some age.
Yeah. I mean, with the,
Turned yellow to.
I guess is that
Yellow.
the manger? Is this a,
Yeah, it
this
looks
is
like
Jesus in a manger?
Yeah, that's like a
nativity scene?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the other side the same way?
Yeah.
That's pretty
Yeah,
neat.
they're both. Oh yeah, that's the Ada from Ada because it has yellow clay and everything, so that's it's worth more. And I think it was they're experimenting with glazes or something. It looked like copper with black over it.
Oh, okay.
It did turn out probably what they were expecting. Just a little picture deal, but some guy came along and boy, he'd snatch that one up. He was buying it for a friend of his, so he was, I guess, pretty familiar
Yeah.
with it because of his friend and everything. So he knew it was a good deal. He didn't argue about the price. They got sold for like 80 or something.
How much are you asking for this?
Oh, I'll take 5 for it.
5?
Yeah.
If my phone will work. I'm looking to see what if it's worth 5 or less.
Well, I don't know what it can be used with.
Yeah.
For the older, some older ones, I think it, be used with different ones. Yeah, but it's not that new.
It's called a quick dock.
Quick dock, yeah. Yeah, see, got the quick dock on there. So. Trying to see. It says expense. Yeah, that could be a handy to have if you had one to work with.
Yeah, I'll give you $5 for it. Why not? Here's 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alrighty.
Appreciate it. I appreciate it very much.
Copy I paid in 2006, 100,000.
All right, guys, we're back to where we were. Who knows? We may not. We sold some stuff. A little less than $300 so far made. I think 220, 225. Not a whole heck of a lot, but we still have a whole lot to go. So I think here pretty shortly we're gonna start loading this stuff back up in the truck because it's supposed to rain tonight. So we'll load this up in the truck so it don't get wet. The plan is to leave the truck here overnight, and we'll just come back here early in the morning, drag it all back out and do it all over again. This is pretty cool. This is a Connect's roller coaster. I'm trying to get $20 out of it. Nobody's bid on it so far, but I've had several people ask about it, so who knows? Maybe we'll get it sold, maybe we won't. Hey guys, look at this. Look at this. Dumpster diving
At the flea market.
at the flea market. What is this? This is a briefcase, right? And it's locked. I can't get it open. So we're about to bust this thing open, see what's inside of it.
There's something.
There's something in it. So here we go. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! Look at all that gold, guys. Look at all that gold.
Hey, those shoes might fit you.
Free inventory. We'll take these.
Yep.
The rest of it, we'll just consider it trash. Look at there.
Throw it back in the trash.
Free inventory. Look, we also found this one. Found this one in the trash. Who doesn't like a Mr. Potato Head? Darth Vader, Mr. Potato Head.
No, that's stormtroopers.
For stormtroopers. Here's Vader.
Those Thomas the Train.
There's Darth Vader.
Yep. And then, and then the yellow hair is Luke Skywalker.
Nice.
I'm surprised freaking people don't sell that shit.
Couple dollars there, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot, we'll take this and just load it up. Cool. Thanks. Thanks, Philip.
You're welcome.
Thanks for all the help.
You're welcome.
You're such a good buddy. Such a good buddy.
I'm a good cameraman.
You're a good cameraman. You need to get more videos on your YouTube. That's what you need to do, right?
Gotta figure out that editing stuff.
Oh, I'll teach you all that.
Okay.
We'll go to the house and we'll edit a video and I'll show you how easy it is.
Alright.
Cool. But anyways, guys, I think we're about to pack up because several of the vendors have already started loaded up and a few of them have already gone. So I think we're about to do the same. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Built an empire.